When I was a kid, we used to eat strawberry shortcake for dinner. That's right, for dinner. To make strawberry shortcake, you gotta find small, sweet, fresh, local strawberries like these. Wash the strawberries, remove the tops, and slice them into a bowl. Sprinkle with lots of granulated sugar. Give it a toss. This is dinner for 4. Let this sit at room temperature for 1 hour. Then refrigerate for another hour. We want the strawberries to weep and create a fabulous tasting juice. The key to great strawberry shortcake is the shortcake. There are 2 ways to do that. We can use my mom's recipe from Good Housekeeping circa 1942. And look, her notes are still in the book. Sift 3 cups of flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Cut in the shortening using 2 forks. Then beat 2 eggs together and add half a cup of milk, and then pour this into the mixture. And then mix to form a dough. Grease the baking pan, place the dough in the pan, wet your fingers, and press out the dough so it's 1/2 inch thick. We're going to bake this in a hot 450-degree oven. When the shortcake is done, cut it in large squares and place it in a big bowl. Top with lots of strawberries, and now for the fun part. Bury it in whole milk. Dinner is served.